JAMB 2023 question 35. We're given that a plane left Lagos Airport, departure at exactly 8 hours 43 minutes 58 seconds AM and arrived at London 3:32 and 25 PM. Now, we want to find out the exact duration of the flight. So, we convert it to 24 hours format. Converting this to 24 hours format, we will have this to give us 08, 48, 43 rather, and 58. And 3 PM in 24 hours format is 15. 15, 32, and 25 seconds. So this is in 24-hour format. So the next thing to do is to subtract the departure from the arrival. So the flight, the duration of the flight, it's simply arrival in 24 hours minus the departure. So let's do that together. 15 hours 32 minutes 25 seconds. When we are subtracting 8 hours 48 minutes and 58 seconds. So let's begin. Remember that this is hour minutes and seconds. So let's subtract together now. So to subtract in terms of seconds, 5, we just go through it as normal subtraction method. 5 minus 8 is impossible, so we have to borrow 1 from 2, so we'll be left with 1 here, and this will become 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Now moving on, 1 minus 5, it's impossible, so we have to borrow from the minute section. Borrowing from the minute section, we'll be left with 1, and the 1 we borrowed will translate into 6, because that's the principle. When we borrow from another section, we have translated into 6. So in return, this becomes, the 1 here becomes 6 plus 1, that is 7. So this means 7, 6 plus 1, 7 minus 5, which will give us 2. Moving on, we have 1 here left here minus 8, which is not possible, so we have to borrow 1 from 3. Borrowing 1 from 3, will be left with 2, and this will increase to 11, because when we borrow from within the minute section or within a section, is translated as 10, is translated as 10. So 11 minus 8, or rather this should be 3, because it is 43. So 11 minus 3 is 8, and we want to evaluate 2 minus 4, which is not possible. So we have to borrow 1 from the hour section. Borrowing 1 from the hour section, will be left with 14, 14. And the result, what we borrowed, will translate as 6 to the minute section. So this becomes 6 plus 2, which is 8. So 8 minus 4 will give us 4. And now we are left with 4 minus 8, which is not possible. So this results into 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. So the exact duration is given as 6 hours 48 minutes and 27 seconds, and this is option A.